G'day all, here we have a beautiful OKMO engine. This one is called the R32. It's a V-twin model 4-stroke double cylinder gas petrol engine. It's a copy of a Harley Davidson Shovelhead. The engine weighs about 1.2 kilos. It's a 2-cylinder 4-stroke gasoline petrol engine. It has a displacement of 4.2 cc's. The cylinder diameters are 13 millimeters. The stroke is 16 millimeters, and of course it's air cooled. It's run off 3 batteries, 3 AA batteries that go in this battery pack that fire this CDI unit, and that sends the pulse and the spark up to the 2 spark plugs, 1 for each cylinder. It's just in person, it's just absolutely beautiful. So I really hope that it's being shown off to all its glory in this video. Here's some close-ups for you to have a good look at. As you could see from those stills, it's an absolutely beautifully detailed engine. I have a friend that had a Harley Davidson dealership for many years. I've showed him this Shovelhead, and I've also showed him the Panhead that I've got. And he was absolutely blown away with the detail, the level of detail in these 2 engines. Like, just couldn't believe it. But it's just gorgeous. Never had a Harley. I'm never going to probably have a Harley, but this will probably be as close as I'm ever going to have to having a Harley Davidson engine. But let's go out and give it its first run and see how it goes. Okay, we're outside. Let's see if we can get this going. Put the batteries in. 1, 2 in. There's 3 in. Okay, turn it off. I'm using shellite, which is naphtha or white gas in the US, mixed with enough Marvel's mystery oil just to add a bit of colour. So it's 2-stroke. Little tank holds more than you think. Yeah, overflowed it a little bit. Getting a bit tongue-tied in this video. Made a few fluff-ups. Okay, so I'm going to pull this off. The hose going into the carby. Get that fuel. Okay, so the fuel is running out that tube. Put that on. Okay, so I've got fuel going up there. Let's turn this on. Now I'm not sure if that's open or closed. Throttle, so we'll put it about halfway and we'll see how it goes. Okay, let's see if we can start this beautiful little Harley up. I could hear something. There we go. Okay, it's cut out. So I'd say that's opening the throttle up. So we just gave it a tiny little bit more throttle. Geez, it sounds good. And maybe that's closing the throttle. Okay, so I'm going to go there. I think that's open. That's throttle. I just learnt that small changes make a big difference. Let's just get that in there. Let's open that up. I can hand start it. Oh, it's a bit slippery. Nearly. Oh, it's slipping. It's got a bit of oil on it. Slipping in my fingers, so go back to the drill. No. It's going to take me a while to get used to that throttle, to work out small adjustments, Jim, small adjustments. Small adjustments, Jim. So it says to run 2 tanks full to get the engine bedded in. So I think it's going pretty well starting up like this. Throttle. Tell you what, that's louder than, I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but that is mighty loud. Like, ear-piercing loud. I tell you what, it sounds bloody good. I really like this. I've got a huge smile on my face. I really like this. The sound of it is just absolutely awesome. This throttle, I think the screw's a little bit loose in the top of that. It wants to move by itself. Now, I haven't touched the fuel jet at all. I think I'd like to muck around a little bit with that fuel jet, that needle valve, but I'm not going to do this for its initial run. I'm just happy that it's going and it sounds so good and it's running. But that's definitely something. Now it's down here behind the air filter. To show you, you can see that air filter. That air filter is chromed and it's perforated brass at the back. But I think I'd like to. I think that needs a little bit of adjustment to slow the engine down a little bit. But now I know that's open, so that's closing it off, the fuel. So I'm going to start it up once more because I just really like the sound of that. That is awesome. Absolutely awesome. Love it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. This Shovelhead OKMO Harley Davidson miniature model. It's just beautiful. There's so much brass on there. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Love the manifolds. Alright, as always, appreciate the views and the comments, and thanks for watching. Stay safe guys. Bye for now.